Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up your shop homepage on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, now this main page is what you're going to see, and in the upper right corner you're going to have the shop manager option. The shop manager option is going to enable you to set up a store if you do not already have one, and if you have one, from here you can get started with accessing the settings of your Etsy store. And now we can get started with following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to set up your shop homepage. So you're going to open up your shop manager just like I showed you. After that, you're going to see a button in your shop manager that says settings, and once you open up settings, you're going to go and choose the info and appearance option. Once you're there, you can manage the different sections of your shop homepage. So you have your shop title, shop icons, cover photos, shop announcements, and so on. Choose whatever you want to edit, and from there you can get started with checking out the ultimate guide to starting an Etsy shop if you want for more tips and tricks to kickstart your shop and to edit your homepage in the best way option. And as you can see here, we have the info and appearance step by step on how to edit whatever you need. So if you need more help, go to the Etsy Help Center and see for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.